Is NightCafe good enough to make me a 3D sprite or a 2D sprite for my 2D game? If I offered the information that would earn you £20,000, would you do it? Yes, you would. But if I asked you for £36 in return, you would probably close this video and walk away, and you should. But that's what these guys are doing on Patreon. They're paying me just £3 a month to support this channel, and I am giving them the information to earn £20,000. If that sounds good to you, subscribe and keep watching this video. As you guys may know, I'm actually trying to create a 2D version of MapleStory using Skillshare as my tutorial base. And then I'm about kind of 5 parts into it. I did get stuck, but I've managed to find a resolve that'll be in my next video. But actually, I want to try and put my own character inside the game instead of the sprite character from within the tutorial. So let's see if NightCafe can help me produce that. So just move the mic over there. And I'm going to go to 2D sprite character, and I'm actually going to put MapleStory just to see if it brings it back. Now I've already pre-selected the 3D game down here. I'll stick to the 4 images because, again, fantastically, NightCafe are doing updates every single week. So instead of 1 image is 1 credit, they actually reduced that to half a credit depending on what you select. But now they're giving you 4 images for 1 credit, and once you have the 4 images you can actually enhance the 1. But let me go create, see what this brings back. As you can see, I have been playing around with some endoskeletons, but it didn't really turn out how I wanted it to. I love that humanoid one, fantastic quality. And there's my save the world with 1 leg, amazing. There we go. These do take a little bit longer because it's on coherent instead of stable diffusion. Try and find out why that is. Stable diffusion, show all, 3D game, 2D sprite character, MapleStory. Let's try that again. There you go, half a credit. I must have been in the wrong menu. Select. So that one hasn't come back at all. It may have the hair and features. Look how quick that is. So sprite character, this could be the one I'm looking for. This one down here. Let me see if I can enhance that. Because ideally I want it to walk. So let's have this one as my main. So there you go. Use as primary. That's my primary image, and I want to evolve it. 2D sprite character walking in 4 stages. Let me try that. Again, it is 3D game. Scroll down. That's my image of reference. I have found that if you do go by the reference image, it doesn't change it much. But let me see if I can bring back 4 images, and hopefully I can get them walking. So 1 credit. Ooh, okay. What have we got here? So it has taken the same image and it's given me amendments. Let's have a look. Is it something I can use? Probably not. What I'll do, I'll evolve it, but I'll take out the image, I think. So let me go evolve. Let's stick to that one. Primary, evolve, MapleStory, but I am obviously going to take out the image. I don't really want to use NightCafe. I want to use 3D game. So check that out. I'm going to remove this. Now I've got the wording for the walking sprite character. Let me see what this brings back. So stable diffusion, really quick. It's insanely quick. So I have got some characters here. Look, they're not clear though. So let me try and choose that one as primary. Try and choose this as primary, and let's see if I can evolve. Has this got enough in there? In fact, let's try and enhance. So upscale by 2. It might just give me some more detail. If you are just joining me for the first time, then basically I've got this channel to create a 2D game, just to show dedication behind how to put a game together. but I'm actually building a metaverse game in the crypto industry, and I've got an idea for it. But basically I'm building a community first, then I'll open up a Discord. But basically I'm just playing around with AI. How much of this game can I make with AI? So while that is upscaling, let's take you over to my channel. Oh, another subscriber, thank you. So this is the first character that essentially I've created with NightCafe, and I've blended him out and made him look better, I think, in Pixlr. There was this guy that gave me the idea to create the 2D version, just a quick game, but I'm actually creating a demo version of MapleStory by using Skillshare. There's a tutorial on Skillshare that I'm using. So I'm 5 parts in. It's probably 2 to 3 hours worth of content, and I'm teaching myself Blender, I'm teaching myself how to use paint packages like Pixlr, and I already know what game I want, but the idea behind the community is that they guess what the game is going to be about. So far there's been no guesses, but obviously I'm still building. I've only got 28 subscribers, and just pushing out, you know, 1, 2, maybe 3 videos a week. So if you like the sound of that, stick with me. This is AI, anything I can use in AI, music, sound, voices, images, anything that can help me with a game or 3D modeling, it will be on this channel. So what do we have? So no more detail per se. It has blown the image up. Let me see if I can get more detail. So evolve. So a walking 2D sprite character for MapleStory. More details. Let me see if I can just make a different version of it, just to see if it brings back, even if it doesn't look 3D. Let me see if I can enhance what it actually brings back for me. Oh, okay. Okay, so now this is a funny little one here. I could use this. Doesn't look like a character though, and anything that looks like it's walking. Maybe it's, I think this one's probably going to be better. So let me see if I can use that. So bottom right hand side, which is this one. Make that the primary image then, and then give some of them look like Popeye, don't they? Let's enhance upscale. Shouldn't take too long. Back to creations. So what I may have to do is, if I have a design that I like, is I may have to put the design into a 2D pixel program and just paint the pixels on myself. I'm not seeing too much clarity, but let's evolve. Same text, evolve a walking 2D sprite character. Let's put for Unreal Engine instead. Please. We go back to 2D, or sorry, 3D. Yeah, it's not 3D, is it? Let me stick with CGI character. 4 images. Let's see what we get back. So I think my basic answer is going to be that NightCafe cannot yet support this, not unless I actually take something from here and actually evolve it myself, pop it into a 2D pixel, paint the pixels on myself. I'm not seeing anything that would make my life easier in AI. If you guys can think of anything or an easy way of doing this, the main reason I've used NightCafe is because of stable diffusion and how quick it is, and they're very, very generous with their credits. But I have used Midjourney, I've used DALL-E 2 as well, and I've got plenty of credits on DALL-E if you guys think that will be a better option. So now you've seen this video, if you think I can do it better with AI somewhere else, let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my seat. Know that they ride or die.